When it comes to your spiritual life, do you ever feel as alive as a boat sailing through an open sea? With God and His Word acting as the wind in your sail, taking you as far as the eye can see. You feel as if nothing can stop you. You feel unsinkable and unwavering in your faith. But then there are other times when you don't feel this connection. Rather than sailing through the sea, you feel like you are drifting without purpose, or like a ship wrecked onto the shore, with God feeling like a distant presence that you will never reach. No matter how hard you try to get back on track with your faith, you don't budge. You feel broken to pieces. You just don't seem as connected to God as you used to be. You are not alone in this feeling. We all feel this way at times. This is simply part of the different seasons of life. Sometimes you feel more connected, other times you don't. But regardless of how connected you feel to God, He is always there. He is there when you know it and when you forget, when you are awake or asleep, when you're happy or sad, busy or free. He is always there whether you feel it or not. In Isaiah 41 verse 10, we read God's encouraging words to Israel. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. We are, in the same way, reminded of God's constant presence in Psalm 121 verses 3 to 8. He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. Indeed, He who watches over Israel will neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord watches over you. The Lord is your shade at your right hand. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore. The word shade in Hebrew also means shadow. In other words, like our shadow is always with us, so is God. So next time you are feeling your sail full of wind driving you forward, use this opportunity to go forward. But if you are feeling that there is no wind and your sail is still, know that this is fine. Use this quiet time to be still and reflect on your life. But no matter where you are in life, no matter which boat you fall into, remember that God is always there.